Hello everyone, welcome to Lizzy Crochet channel, where I could support you in doing crochet and also share my free crochet projects with you. Well, if my sharing is useful to you in some ways, then please kindly give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That would be the biggest support from you to me. Thank you. This is a short clip as a reference to my free design, the Lizzy Cat. If you like this design, do check out the description box below to get the free pattern. So I'm gonna show everyone a tip to crochet right size of some stitches like single crochet, increase and decrease single crochet whenever you turn the row. Alright, let's start. After blocking in this way, I'm going to turn this yarn in this way. I will cover it. You will see. I will cover it in this way. That's. And I stop. So you will see the yarn have been bent around this way. And then I will start to crochet. In this stitch. And I count this one is the first stitch. Okay. Second one. Third one. And that's so on. We just crochet normally in this way, and you will see the right side disappear here. So in this row, the rules I'm gonna apply is 7 single crochet. So it's 3, and now it's 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I will make a decrease. The rules is 7 single crochet and 1 decrease. Make sure that you will crochet the bending yarn with you. Okay. Now we just keep crocheting it as normal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and decrease. Just repeat it until the end of the row, and then I will see you in almost the end of the row. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continue. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So you still have the right size here. Keep crocheting. So Okay.